In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a bullet point here in Canva. So, when you have the text where you want to insert the bullet point, we simply click onto the text, we come up to the toolbar just here, and right here, where it says list, if we click on there, we now have our bullet point. Now let's just make that a little bit longer and maybe a little bit shorter, just like that. Now if you want multiple bullet points, we can click onto the text, click on enter, it's going to add another one, and then we can put our text just like that. Now if this doesn't line up, what we want to do is come up to here to alignment. We can align it to the left, to the center, to the right, just like that. So, as you can see, it's pretty easy to insert a bullet point here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.